This is the story of the man who lived with a mechanical heart. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. James, and this is VitalRise. If you're new here, please subscribe. Thank you. Now, let's begin today's incredible true health story. It was the year 1982. The world was entering a new era of medical innovation. Heart surgery had advanced dramatically, but one life-changing problem still remained. What could doctors do when a patient's heart completely failed and no donor heart was available? For decades, scientists and surgeons had dreamed of creating a mechanical heart that could keep a human being alive. Many people believed it was nothing more than an impossible dream. But one man was willing to become the first person to make history. His name was Barney Clark. Barney was a 61-year-old American dentist. For years, he had been suffering from a severe heart disease. Day after day, his heart became weaker. Even walking a short distance left him exhausted. Breathing became more difficult with every passing week. Doctors finally gave him heartbreaking news. His heart was failing. Without a miracle, he had very little time left to live. There was only one possible option. His diseased heart would have to be removed and replaced with a mechanical heart. It was an incredibly dangerous decision, because no human being had ever survived such a procedure before. Barney understood the risks. He knew the operation could either save his life or become the final chapter of it. But after looking at his family, he made a courageous decision. He quietly said, "If my story can help save the lives of people in the future, then I'm willing to do it." A few days later, the operating room was fully prepared. Some of the world's leading heart surgeons gathered together, ready to perform a surgery that would change medical history forever. The surgery had begun. Inside the operating room, a team of world-class surgeons, nurses, and medical engineers worked together with one shared goal. They knew this wasn't just about saving one man's life. They were about to change the future of medicine forever. After several intense hours, the most critical moment finally arrived. The surgeons carefully removed Barney Clark's failing heart. For the first time in human history, a living person's heart had been completely replaced with a mechanical heart known as the Jarvik 7. The operating room became completely silent. Everyone waited, watching the monitors. Would the artificial heart actually work? For a few long seconds, nobody spoke. Then, a steady mechanical sound filled the room. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. It wasn't the natural heartbeat of a human. It was the sound of a machine pumping blood through a living body. The Jarvik 7 had started working. Blood began flowing through Barney's body once again. The medical monitors showed encouraging signs. His blood pressure stabilized. His oxygen levels improved. Barney Clark was alive. When he finally opened his eyes after surgery, he became the first person in history to live with a permanent mechanical heart. News of the operation spread around the world. Television stations, newspapers, and medical journals all reported the incredible achievement. Some people called it a miracle. Others believed it marked the beginning of a new era in heart surgery. Doctors everywhere began asking the same question. Could artificial hearts one day save millions of lives? But despite the success, Barney's journey was far from over. In the days that followed, he would face challenges no human had ever experienced before. Barney Clark had become the first person in history to live with a permanent mechanical heart. But his new life was far from easy. Unlike a natural human heart, the Jarvik 7 didn't beat on its own. It depended on a large external air-powered machine. Wherever Barney went, the machine had to go with him. Every day, doctors carefully monitored his condition. Some days, he felt hopeful. Other days, he struggled with pain, exhaustion, and unexpected complications. Yet despite everything, he never gave up. Barney understood that he wasn't only fighting for himself. He was helping millions of future heart patients. For 112 days, he lived with the mechanical heart. During that time, doctors learned valuable lessons. They discovered what worked and what still needed to be improved. Every observation, every challenge, and every success became part of medical history. Then, on March 23, 1983, Barney Clark passed away. But his story did not end that day. Instead, it became the beginning of a new chapter in modern medicine. The knowledge gained from his courage helped scientists develop better artificial hearts, and life-saving heart support devices used around the world today. Because of pioneers like Barney, thousands of patients have been given a second chance at life. His bravery proved that sometimes one person's sacrifice can change the future for millions. Health lesson. Your heart is the engine of your life. Protect it every single day. Eat a healthy diet. Exercise regularly. Avoid smoking. Manage stress. And never ignore the warning signs of heart disease. One healthy decision today could save your life tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and take care of your heart.